Thank you.
Tonight, for the very first time, we are visiting Halloween Horror Nights here at Universal Studios Orlando. I've been waiting my whole life to go here, as I've been a horror fan since a little boy. Anyways, let's go. But however, we're gonna make it a little bit more spooky, so let's go into the dark.
This video contains spoilers, spooky visuals, food and haunted house reviews, and how long we waited for each house, as we had expressed for all 10 houses. Oh, also, this video includes jump scares. First house of the night is, and let's see if this haunted house gets 5 out of 5 pumpkins on our scare ratings. The animatronics were super, but the scares were not so great. So we give this 2 pumpkins. But don't get me wrong, the theming and set pieces are astounding.
Talking about astounding, for Five Nights at Freddy's food they got to offer is actually very decent, but a bit pricey. Thank you. Perfect. So now it's time to eat the overpriced cupcake. I don't know how outside it's like. It's got no eyes and just one tooth. And a candle. Jelly. Try and eat this very greasy pizza. Onion. Is it nice? Yeah? The next haunted house is Terrifier, and we are gonna take the wet path. Oh yeah. What can I say? That was a good haunted house, and I actually had a few jump scares. And while feeling a bit starstruck seeing Art the Clown in real life, we're going to give that 4.5 out of 5 pumpkins. And yes, you do get quite a bit wet.
But not as much as we did later on.
Whoa. Keep watching this video to see what the hell happens later on.
Next house is Jason Derulo Universe. This was a top tier house and I had quite a few jump scares. So we are giving that a 3.5 out of 5.
I've been a massive fan of the Friday the 13th franchise since a little boy, so going on this maze was pretty cool. Also at the Voodoo Donuts, they're doing a limited edition Jason donut, so grab yourself one of these. And just a bit outside of the park, you can grab yourself a cool Jason figurine. So yeah, have a look at these. Next up is Hatchet and Chain's Demon Bounty Hunters. I really like the theme of this cowboy western themed. Quite a few jump scares with gunshots and that, but it was lacking compared to some of the others. So we're giving this a 3.5 out of 5 pumpkins. Next up is Fallout. This haunted house is based on the TV show, or it's based upon the game franchise, or it's based upon the comic books, or it's based upon... I'm joking. It was a game started in 1997. While I was a fan of the games as a kid, I never got into the series. But saying that, I never got into this house either. It was lacking jump scares. It was quite short.
¿Dónde está Voltsboy?
Not a lot to say, so we're giving that a 2 out of 5 pumpkins.
And now we are halfway through the houses. Let's do some spooky scare zones.
Painted face got me feeling like I'm Terrifier. Take your head off your neck with piano wire. You be cuffing on that hoe knowing she a liar. Oh, she be scruffing on my Oscar Mayer. Painted face got me feeling like I'm Terrifier. Take your head off your neck with piano wire. You be cuffing on that hoe knowing she a liar. Oh, she be scruffing on my Oscar Mayer.
Gotta get out of here, man. Roller skate zombie. Huh? Roller skate zombie. Oh, a foot.
It's nice, isn't it?
Lovely. Oh.
And now for the Halloween shows. First one is the Water Fountain Show, Hauntophonic.
Accompanies this album. Tonight's story is about to begin. You'll know it's time to turn the page when you hear this sound.
Next one is an awesome show.
Nightmare Fuel.
We really enjoyed the show, however, we think this staff member stole the show. Now for El Artista, a Spanish haunting, Maestros del Arte y del Terror. Estos casa es un spooky uno de Volvagosta Blanco Grande. This is a spooky house with a very decorative theme, good scares and good theming. So we give this a 4 out of 5.
I don't know if it really stuck my neck.
I thought you were saying it was stuck.
And now for Graves of Flesh, where you actually go into a grave with all the crypts and zombies. There was really good zombie characters in there, very good costumes and a few jump scares. And yeah, we actually enjoyed this one. It was quite good. So we're giving this a 4 out of 5 pumpkins.
Next casa is Galkin, Monsters of the North. Unfortunately, we think this must be the weakest house out of the 10. Not a lot of jump scares, just great theming from a massive witch monster to the Wicker Man. It's like being back at Alton Towers. We give this 1.5 out of 5. The next house is Doll's Let's Play Dead. This house you get shrunken down to doll size and you meet some burnt and deformed dolls which are trying to kill you. Good theming and some crazy smell pods. We give this 3 out of 5 pumpkins. Let's have a break and grab some snacks. Death by cheese stick. It's 2 lengths on my hand.
That's a big old cheese stick. Nice. Yeah.
Thumbs up.
What? Oh my god. What? Wow. Dip it in the sauce.
After braving the haunted houses and getting wet on Terrifier, the real terror rolled in. We experienced our first Florida thunderstorm. The storm flooded the grounds, haunted house lines were delayed, the food carts started shutting down one by one. Luckily we managed to experience all the haunted houses and grab our creepy treats just before the storm unleashed its full wrath.
Oh my god.
This is how we feel after the storm. Now the scare zones are closed due to weather. Let's do our own scare zones.
And now for the WWE themed haunted house for Horrors of White 6. I was once a WWE fan. My favourites were Jeff Hardy and The Undertaker. Swanton Bomb! I heard many people say this was their least favourite, but I actually enjoyed this. I actually thought it was quite unique having a WWE themed haunted house. It was good. There was a few jump scares, good characters, and but we're giving that a 3 out of 5 pumpkins. So that's it, we finally experienced Halloween Horror Nights after waiting many years. I have to say, it's not exactly scary, but it was a great experience. The detail and theming was incredible. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more Halloween videos, don't forget to subscribe for more. Anyways, last thing to say is... Happy Halloween! And now for a quick Halloween bonus clip of me getting thrashed by Kiara at the Halloween themed golf.
Oh, you got it. You gotta get it, you gotta get it, you gotta get it. Uh-oh. Where's it gonna come out? Ah.